Hey there, health detectives. Did you know that your eyes could be trying to tell you something about your health? That's right. Your body has a secret messenger and is staring right back at you in the mirror. Today, we are looking at 13 surprising eye signs that could reveal hidden health problems. Stick around because number 7 is something you don't want to ignore. 13 high signs of hidden health problems. Ever noticed a yellowish tint in the white of your eyes? This could be a sign of jaundice, which often points to liver problems like hepatitis or fatty liver disease. Your liver is responsible for filtering toxins, and when it's overworked, your eyes might just spill the secret. If you see yellowing, don't wait. Schedule a liver checkup ASAP. Blurry vision might just be a sign of tired eyes or something more serious. High blood sugar levels can damage the blood vessels in your eyes, leading to blurry vision, an early warning sign of diabetes. If you experience sudden or persistent blurriness, it's time to check those sugar levels. Waking up with puffy eyes all the time? Sure, it could be a rough night's sleep, or it could point to kidney problems. When your kidneys aren't functioning well, fluid can build up in unexpected places like under your eyes. Mostly, bloodshot eyes are brought on by dry eyes, irritants like pollen, smoking, and perfume, sleep deprivation, and excess alcohol use. Too much time spent in front of a computer. If your eyes are constantly red, it might not just be allergies or screen time, it could be high blood pressure. When your blood pressure is too high, it can cause tiny blood vessels in your eyes to burst. So, next time you see those bloodshot eyes, take it as a hint to check your numbers. Constantly feeling like there's sand in your eyes, it might be more than just dry weather. Dry eyes can be linked to thyroid disorders, specifically hypothyroidism, which affects tear production. We all get dark circles sometimes, but if they stick around, it could be a sign of iron deficiency or dehydration. Iron helps deliver oxygen, and when you are low, it can make your skin look pale and tired. Notice your eyes bulging a bit. This could be due to Graves' disease, a condition linked to an overactive thyroid gland. Don't ignore this one. It needs medical attention. If you see a white ring around your cornea, it might be a sign of high cholesterol levels. This condition, known as acute senilis, can indicate an increased risk of heart disease. If your eye keeps twitching, your body might be screaming for magnesium. Stress and poor nutrition can deplete magnesium, leading to those annoying spasms. Sudden vision loss in one or both eyes. This could be an early warning sign of a stroke or blood clot. Never take this lightly. Seek medical help immediately. Does bright light feel unbearable? This could be linked to autoimmune conditions like lupus or even migraines. Seeing double? This could signal neurological issues like multiple sclerosis or even a brain tumor. Always get it checked out if it persists. Seeing sudden flashes or floaters in your vision, it might be your retina warning you about a possible detachment. Don't wait to get it checked. Now that you have noticed one, two, or more signs, to improve your eyes and overall health, get yourself checked. Also, you need to change your diet and lifestyle. Try to avoid food and drinks that are not organic, meaning avoid food and drinks that are not made by nature. Eat more vegetables, fruits, whole grains, nuts, and seeds. Also, don't forget to hydrate more. Stay away from stress and prolonged screen time. Found this helpful? Give it a thumbs up, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe for more eye-opening health tips. Until next time, keep your eyes and your health sharp. Thank you for watching.